Hope Lodge is such an important place because it gives people quick access to care. When they hear the phrase that they might have cancer, they wonder, how am I going to do this if I can't find a place to stay?
There's no other place in the world where if you're going through cancer treatment, you can walk into a room of 50 people going through the exact same thing.
And our Hope Lodge facility provides them a place away from home. At the home, of course, you have to feed the soul. And we're able to, with the donation from Kroger, feed the soul of our patients.
Every Wednesday, we hold a graduation service, and that means that if you've completed your treatments, we want to celebrate with you.
We're about to serve dinner to some of the graduates and some of the people who helped them through their process.
After a hard day or a long day at the hospital, not to have to cook and have Kroger bring you meals and fix us great meals, it means a lot.
The Atlanta associates really enjoy connecting and giving back. They realize that the community is the foundation of our success here in Atlanta. It's really the foundation for the Kroger company.
We have families and friends that need us, so I just love giving back to my community.
We are so thankful for corporate partners like Kroger to help us out in a lot of families' time of need.